Hi, I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out. Welcome back to our channel. We're all about tasty food made easy. Today we're gonna make baked mussels. Start by melting a quarter cup of butter in a medium hot skillet. When the butter is melted, add 2 minced garlic cloves and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. If you like your sauce a little bit thicker, you can add 1 tablespoon of flour and make sure you mix it really well. Then add 1 thin sliced green onion, 1 diced tomato, and 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. Mix and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Then pour in 1 cup of chicken broth or white wine if you prefer, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon hot sauce. Mix it well and let it sit for 1 minute before you take it off the heat. Then place 1 pound of rinsed and scrubbed mussels in an oven-safe baking dish. Pour over the butter and herb sauce and bake in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Ensure the internal temperature of the mussels reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit before you eat them. And discard of any mussels that didn't open after baking. And there you have it, oven-baked mussels. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.